Okay, welcome to the Leadsleap affiliate system. We're going to go through step by step on how you need to set up your income producing website here. And first thing is you want to join Leadsleap. So you click on this button to join. Click on get your free membership. Fill out all the information and click sign up now. It's going to send you a verification link, so let's go ahead and verify that link. Okay, you'll see an email from Leadsleap. Please confirm your subscription. And then you click on this link to verify your account. Email has been verified, so you log back in. So we're going to log in, put our username and password, and click login. They want you to set your time zone, so we're going to select the correct time zone and hit save. And now, as you can see, there is a tutorial link up here on the right that will explain everything that can be done in Leadsleap. So if you click on the tutorial, then you can actually search over here on the left to whatever you want to learn how to do. Leadsleap has a program where you can actually upgrade to Pro and get all these phenomenal services available to you. You can look at the list and comparison, but if you scroll down, you'll see that $19.90 per month for limited time only, where it's actually usually $27 a month. And they have this good for the first 24 hours that you sign up. So just select how you want to make your payment, whether it's PayPal, Visa, or if you have a Leadsleap balance, you can select that. So we're going to use an upgraded account to show you how to set up this affiliate funnel. So we're logged into our Pro account, and what we want to do is go through the steps here. We've already joined Leadsleap. We've already upgraded to Pro, and then we want to set up our welcome page. And the way that we do that is to go into Leadsleap and then click on Page Manager over here on the left, and then click on Add a New Campaign. Give it a name. Leadsleap welcome page, and then it creates that page, but we want to shortcut everything and copy everything that we have from this page here. So in order to do that, we just use the share code here. So you just highlight, copy that share code, go back into Leadsleap, and then say add a new page to start, and then import that share code, paste it here, and say import now. So that was pretty easy, but now we want to go into Launch Editor. We want to change everything so it points to your resources. So as you can see, in edit mode, we have that page. So you click on Join Leadsleap, and then over here on the right, you want to get your Leadsleap affiliate link and paste it in here. And the way to do that is to go back into your Leadsleap platform, scroll down to the bottom on the left hand side, and click on Affiliate Links and Tools. And then on the home page, the first one, you want to copy that and go over to the editor and paste it right here in the Go To field. And then click Save. Work has been saved. Click OK. So then we're going to scroll down and put in all the other fields that we need to populate. Okay, we want to put in the share code. So we're going to go back to Page Manager and then click on this button here for share code. then copy, and then click on the field here and then paste your share code right there. You can stretch the box here a little so that it shows up in one line. And then in the next video we're going to set up our splash page. And the reason we're setting up the welcome page first is because we need to direct the splash page to go to our welcome page after they opt in. Step 5 is all these traffic sources that you can use to advertise with. And what you want to do is sign up for all these under your sponsor and then put in the link that you want to use for your affiliate link. And the way to do that is to go back to the original page that you started with, click on the banner that your sponsor has, click login, not a member, find out more, listen to the video and sign up. And then we're going to do that for each one of these. Lead skimmer, click on the banner, follow the instructions on how to get set up, click here to get started, then go back to the next one, click on the banner, then follow the instructions on how to set up your account, and then do that for each one. Then after you have your affiliate links, you go back to the page builder, click on the banner, and then the URL that you have is going to be pasted right into here on the right here. Do that for each one of these. Your affiliate link right there, your affiliate link right there, click there, your affiliate link right there, and then click save. Click OK, your work's been saved. Okay, and then the next, step 6, is a program where you can actually give away free traffic. It's a free traffic course that you can use to build another funnel with. That's awesome. And actually allows you to promote your affiliate programs there as well. And then step 7 is to actually promote your affiliate programs. You're going to have to sign up for each one of these 3 affiliates. So we're going to go back to our welcome page, click on the button, then sign up for these affiliates. Click on available apps and go through the sign up process. Come back to the affiliate page, click on the link to join the next one, text ALN, enter your name, best email, and the phone number. Click get started and follow the sign up process there. Then we go back to our affiliate funnel page, and the third one is with Leadsleap. Since we already signed up with that, we're going to continue on to the next step. It has banners that you can use, an email swipe, and then down at the bottom you want to make sure that you change your sponsor's name to your name and your email, and you can actually input your own image. So let's go back to the page builder, and we're going to go to the Z Money System and put your affiliate link right here in the go to field. And we're going to do the same for the text ALN. Go to the Go To field and put your affiliate link in there. And then your Leadsleap Go To field is going to be your affiliate link for there. Then at the bottom, you can click on this entry for your sponsor and change it from the sponsor's name to your name and put in your email. So if you want to put your own image here, you can actually go to a service called imgur.com, sign up or log into your account, and then click on Add Image, and you can upload an image from your computer, and then click on the image itself, and you want to use the direct link. Hit copy for the direct link, and then go back to the editor and click on the image part and put your image URL over here. Then click Save, and you have your welcome page all set up. So let's go over a quick review. From the Leadsleap affiliate system page, you want to click on Join Leadsleap. You want to upgrade your account to Pro. You want to go into your Leadsleap and edit the welcome page. Put in your share code. And then we're going to set up the splash page and put in the share code for there. You're going to click on each one of these buttons and join the service for those buttons, and then you want to put your affiliate link into the page builder. Then you want to click on each one of these affiliate programs and put your affiliate link into the page builder, and then change your sponsor information, email, and picture if you wish. Then we'll click on Save. Click OK, your work's been saved. Close out the program, and that brings us back into Leadsleap. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to set up your capture page. Let's go ahead and do that.